If you get attached to a man after first, second date, and you're already obsessed, you're waiting for his call 24/7, you're thinking about him, you can't do anything, this can be a sign of these few things I'm gonna talk about in this video, and also I'll tell you what to do to fix that. And by the way, my name is Paulina. I'm dating and life coach for women. I have degree in psychology and I help thousands of women to become happier in their love life, in their relationships, become for feminine, magnetic, attractive. Subscribe my channel to stay around. I film 3 videos a week. If you get attached too easily, what it tells me about? First of all, it tells me that your life is boring and probably man is the only source of positive emotions and excitement in your life. I see this all the time when your life is literally your work and you being home. That's all. You don't have any hobbies, you don't have any interest, you simply not busy enough. That's why you sit there and wait for his call. And in this case, ladies, if you have this reason, I highly recommend you to start focusing on yourself more. Prioritize some parts of your life that you want to elevate. For example, take your appearance on the next level, treat it as a project, or you want to learn something, learn new skill. You put your efforts towards that, or you want to try some new hobbies, you go and do that. So you fill your life with little excitement things, with dopamine sources. So you're not gonna cling on men too soon and crave for these positive emotions that gonna happen, because when you're on date and when you like this man, your body produces a lot of hormones, oxytocin, dopamine. That's why you feel so good and you on this hormonal high. But when you sit home, watch Netflix and scroll your feed, this not giving you as much excitement and positive emotions. That's why you cling on him. Second reason, ladies, if you get attached too soon, highly likely you have anxious attachment style that you don't know how to control. Let's take me as an example. I have extremely anxious attachment style. I have abandonment wound from my childhood. So in my early 20s, I've been extremely anxious. I get attached to men literally in nanosecond until I learned how to control it. You cannot heal it completely. It's not happening because this is your default setting and you cannot heal it fully, but you can learn how to control it. You can learn how to rewire your brain a little bit. And number one thing in this, ladies, that you choose secure men. If I see avoidant man by the signs that I know, I'm not gonna go and get attached to him. I'm not gonna go even on date with him because I know it will trigger my anxious attachment style. So I choose purely secure man. But for you to be attracted to this man, you need to rewire your brain. And if you want me to film videos about how to learn how to control your anxious attachment style, how to tend towards secure style, how to try to heal it, let me know in the comments. I'll film videos about this because I have big extensive experience in this topic. Next reason, ladies, if you get attached too soon, probably you have low self-worth and low self-esteem. So you looking for constant external validation from other men. Compliments. If he's texting you, you feel good about yourself. If he's disappearing, you start to blame yourself. I'm so bad. I'm unlovable. Who's gonna like me? Your self-esteem connected to external validation from other people and especially men. And this is very wrong, ladies. This position won't make you happy and this position won't make you fulfilled in life. So work on your self-worth. If you have stable self-worth and stable self-esteem, you won't ever get attached to men too soon because you feel too good for that. Your mindset works like this, that okay, I met him, I'm attracted to him, he's nice, but let me see what he's gonna do to get my attention, what he's gonna do for me, what effort he's gonna put. I gonna judge him by his actions towards me. Everyone can give me words. I gonna watch his actions. I gonna watch what he's actually do for me. This is stable self-esteem. But if I have wounded self-esteem, I gonna always feel that yes, okay, I like him. Now I need to go out of my way to make him like me. I need to play the role of perfect woman, so he's not gonna see real me. You know, I need to do that, I need to do this, I need to please him, I need to be convenient, I need to be low maintenance. If I'm gonna be inconvenient, he's gonna leave me. So this is very desperate position, ladies. So if you notice this in yourself, go work on your self-esteem, on your self-worth. I wrote a whole book about how to become this confident, magnetic, attractive, secure woman. It calls She's That Woman. Go grab it. I put a link down this video. And in that book, you will learn how to rewire your mindset, how to lean into mindset of a high value woman. Also in this book you'll learn how to act on dates, how to act around men to make them fall for you faster. This amazing book, I have a lot of good reviews about it, so go read it. Again, I left the link down below this video. Another reason, ladies, sometimes when you get attached too soon, you're actually avoiding real relationships by that. Let me explain. So sometimes when you get attached after first date, you literally lower this man, you cut off everyone else, you focus on him, but subconsciously you understand that this is not the way to go. If you really want relationships, serious relationships, you're gonna move slower because you need to get to know him, you need to choose the perfect man, the right man for you. You're not gonna fall for the stranger you literally didn't know 2 days ago. You're not gonna idealize this man, because sometimes when you get attached too soon, you create this perfect image in your head that yeah, this man is perfect for me. But you don't really know him. You know this version of him that he presented to you 2 days ago. And a lot of people, they not being themselves right away. Yes, they playing the role, and you probably play the role as well. We all do, because we cannot open up as we are right away to first man that we met. We're trying to look and seem our best, and he is doing the same. So you falling for the image that's existing only in your head, ladies. And this is not the way to go. Be more objective. Observe more and act less. If you get attached too soon, the number one recommendation I can tell you, observe. Just see what he is doing towards you. Don't put too much thought into this before he acted, before he initiated this. Like this video if you enjoyed this topic. Leave in the comments why do you think after watching this video you get attached too soon. And I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.